My name is Anirban Mukherjee. I am a business consultant and a business analyst in one of the multinational company. Over and over and above many years of experience I am having in a US mortgage domain, and it is one of the fastest growing industries in US and as well as in India, where IT companies are taking deep into this. So I will be teaching you the about the US mortgage, so that you can get into this domain and have a very nice careers. So I will be teaching you from the start, from the beginning and the end of whereabouts of the US mortgage. So let's start. So first thing is that mortgage. What you understand by the mortgage is a loan, right? So what this word we first heard it in while taking a loan, right? So what happened? Mortgage is an agreement between the borrowers and the lenders. So where borrowers put some guarantee, means put some collateral or put some security against the loan, so that the lenders have a point to give the money to the borrowers, right? So giving an example, if in India you go to purchase a land or a property or home, so if you don't have a sufficient money, what you will do, you will give if you will give a some security to the bank, and against that security the lenders or the bank will give you the money. The same things happen in US also. In lenders gives the money against some security. So summing up, what is a mortgage? The mortgage is a agreement between the borrowers and the lenders against a collateral, right? So there is few point I have written here. So what is the mortgage? About mortgage, so I am reading out one by one. The term mortgage or mortgage loan is used to both the lien and the loan. In most cases, lien and the note. So don't get frightened by by looking into the word lien and the note. So this is lien means a tax. So lien means in US we call it tax. So and it's a note is also another name of the mortgage, right? Next point is telling mortgage is an agreement to lend money to the borrower. As I told you previously, that it is an agreement between the borrowers and the lenders. So here next point I have written, the mortgage is an agreement to lend money to the borrowers. A loan that is secured by property or real estate is called mortgage. Here a loan is secured by property, which I told you that secured means a collateral, something security you have to give, unless until you don't have a money, right? So you are going to the bank, they're asking for the money, the bank wants some guarantee that whether you will be repaying back your, if you don't repay the back, what the institution will do. So for that they take a security from us. That secured by property or real estate is called mortgage. Last one is to purchase any property or real estate, borrower take mortgage. To purchase any property or real estate, borrower take mortgage. This is the statement is clearly explaining that to purchase any property or any real estate, borrower take the mortgage. So okay, so this is all about what is mortgage. Now comes the parties who involved in the mortgage. So as previously we have read out the borrowers and lenders, and also in the definition I told you that the borrowers and the lenders. Now comes who is the borrower and who is lender. So borrowers the person borrowing who either has or create ownership in the property. In short, one who takes loan. Borrowers is that I am the borrower. If I am going to the bank, I am going to the bank asking for the money, and bank give the loan to me, so I became a borrower. And who is the lender? The person who is giving the money, means of institution who is giving the money is a lender. So here it is clearly written, a mortgage lender is a financial institutions, finance, of course, financial institution used to lend money, not any other institution you can go and ask for. So financial institutions or mortgage bank means any bank or who provide mortgage loans that offers underwrites home loans, right? So understood. So borrowers is who is taking the loan, who is taking the money, and the lender is who is giving the money. So this is the two parties involved in mortgage. Now the history of major events. I will be speaking about the date where major important events are occurred. So in 1900s, what happened in 1900s, used to have a the mortgage, the demand of the mortgage is not very high at that time, and there is most important type of mortgage was balloon mortgage. Just you know that what is a balloon mortgage? It's a lump sum amount is paid all together, and the borrower has to repay the loan on the certain maturity period. That is, in 1900s it used to happen. There is no such much flexibility in the mortgage industry. Now the important events happened in 1930s, and after 1930s, 1934s and 2007s. So these are the important events happened in this period, 1930s, 1934 and 2007. In the next slide, the most 1930s, what happened, if you go in 1930s, event Great Depressions was severe worldwide economic depressions that took place mostly during the 1930s, beginning in the United States. If you go into the details, it will be letting you know that the Great Depression happened in 1930s, and in this period the mortgage after this period the mortgage industry drastically changed. So this is itself a big topics. If you want, I will be creating a new slides and top videos about this topic. And 2000 to 2008 subprime crisis was happened. It is also an itself a different topic, so I will be not going into the deep. This is as it is a fast videos. Thank you very much for listening all throughout. Hope you like and understood what I explained. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment.